Hello everyone and welcome back to the Web Genius channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to host the GPT-OSS 20 billion parameter model locally using LM Studio. I've tested several methods and honestly LM Studio is the simplest and most user-friendly way I've found to get started. It's perfect if you want total privacy, lightning fast speeds, or if you just want to experiment with cutting-edge AI on your own hardware. So let's jump right in. Let's quickly compare two popular open source models. There's the brand new GPT-OSS 120 billion and of course the GPT-OSS 20 billion. Now the 120 billion model is massive. It has over 100 billion parameters. That means you get even more accurate and nuanced responses. But here's the catch. It requires at least 8 high-end GPUs or specialized hardware to run smoothly. For most of us, though, the 20 billion model is much more accessible. That's what we'll be focusing on today. The 20 billion model can run on a single high-end GPU, like an RTX 3090, and still delivers impressive results for almost all use cases. It still works on lower-end GPUs, but the process is a bit slower. Let's get started to set up the local language model using LM Studio, the easiest solution I've come across. This method works on Windows and Mac. I tested it out on both of my systems. MacBook Air M3 chip, which took more than 5 seconds to generate answer to this prompt and was really struggling loading it, and my Windows PC with RTX 4070 Super, and it took just 2 seconds. Let's get started. First thing that we need to do is to search for LM Studio in Google and choose the first option. In the LM Studio page, we can download the installer. It will be shown based on device you are using. The installer takes 505 megabytes at the moment, so it will take a few moments to download. Once download is done, let's install it on our device and launch it. Before we move on, I want to share a quick tip that can instantly upgrade the way you work with AI. It's called Promptimise, a browser extension that turns any prompt into a pro-level prompt with just one click. Simply type your idea, hit Enhance, and Promptimise transforms it into a sharper, more effective request that gets better results from any AI model. Instant enhancement dynamic variables. Prompt library. Works. With any LLM from marketers to developers, thousands of professionals are already using Promptimise to save time and get consistently better answers. You can try it right now for free. I've left the link below. Now let's launch the LM Studio. You can either register and log in or skip it and move forward to the main dashboard. To find all the model available, you need to navigate to Discover section and look for OpenAI's GPT-OSS 20B model. It will most likely be on top of the list as it is the newest and most popular model right now. We can press download and wait a little while. For now, the size of the model is 12.11 gigabytes in my case, with it took around 3 minutes to download. After the download finishes, head to your Local Models tab in LM Studio. Click on GPT-OSS 20B and then click Load. LM Studio will start moving the model into GPU memory. This can take a minute, especially the first time. Let's test it. Type in a prompt, something simple like "What is the capital of France?" and hit enter. You should see an instant response, powered entirely by your own hardware. Try more advanced prompts to see how the model handles them. And that's it. You now have GPT-OSS 20B running on your own machine with LM Studio. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me make more videos like this. Drop your questions in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.